MetroWest Golf Club is located just minutes away from the Universal Orlando Resort. The Robert Trent Jones Sr. designed golf course, a masterpiece of traditional golf course architecture, provides a fair yet demanding challenge to make a pleasurable golf experience for players of all skill levels. The course opened in 1987, featuring spring-fed lakes and native trees bordering the rolling fairways. Unlike most Florida golf courses, MetroWest features 100-foot elevation changes that gracefully roll among water hazards and expansive bunkers to form a fair yet demanding test of golf. The golf club also hosts a golf shop offering a wide variety of apparel, equipment, and gift items. The MetroWest Golf Academy is one of the premier golf schools in Florida. Director of Instruction Tom Creevy prides himself on improving the game of golfers with various skill levels. Westerly's restaurant offers light snacks, exquisite meals, and a full-service bar. The restaurant serves breakfast and lunch 7 days a week. The MetroWest Golf Club hosts over 175 corporate, private, and charity events each year. For more information, please visit their website at www.metrowestgolf.com.